Hi all, welcome back to your channel. So it's actually me, in the middle of Stanley Park, and I'm going to fly from Anfield to Goodison, and on the way I'm going to show you how much I've made for last month, okay, and a little bit of chat on the way. So let's get both grounds in the shot. Right, so the flight's going to start here. It's going to go from Anfield to Goodison, and I'll let you know how much I earned last month. Okay. So there we are. We are by the Cop. I'm going to take a flight over now, straight over Stanley Park. If I see myself, I'll give you a wave. And off we go. Yeah, so right, I'll get straight to the good bit of how much he earned through November, and the total amount earned was £532.75. Okay, and that's all thanks to everyone that watched my videos. To give an idea of what I had to do to earn that, so that was 114,923 views of my videos. Okay, that was 8,100 watched hours. So to put that in perspective, if you watch my videos last month continuously for 8,100 hours, it would take 337 days to do. Just getting myself back on track for the grounds. Okay, I got 307 new subscribers. Just getting myself positioned for over the grounds. That's how quick it takes to get from Anfield to Goodison, by the way. Let's have a little look at Goodison Park while we're here. Yeah, and I had 24,000 returning viewers, which, if you're a returning viewer, consider subscribing. I've only got 4,186 subscribers, so if you're coming back to us, just press the subscribe button, and you'd open the channel, and you'd open my causes out, if you like, because what I'm going to do now, so all that money I earned, the £532.75. If I'm struggling to speak, it's because I'm cold. It's freezing, I'll see my hands are freezing. Yeah, so that's all going to grassroots football. But what I'm going to do now, everything I earn off YouTube, I'm going to put 10% away and donate it to grassroots football every season. Okay, so that it'll be even more than that by the time it comes to giving the club some money. Put that £500 into perspective though. That could pay for around 4 or 5 teams' league fees for the season. I could buy one team brand new kits and pay for all the league fees. Now league fees are massive because it puts a pressure on the coaches, it puts a pressure on the parents as well. So if I could pay for one team's league fees and kits, right, I'm going to head back over to Anfield now. There we are in the mist. So if I could do that for one team for one season, they'd only have to charge the parents around £2 a week, and that would pay for the referees' fees each week. So that's how much of a saving it would make on the clubs and the parents, because grassroots football's not cheap. Now, my top 5 videos for this month were all Liverpool videos. Okay, so I don't know if that's because I'm a Liverpool fan myself. I don't know if because I've got like quite a big worldwide audience, because you get all the geographics of where people are watching from. Mostly in the UK, about 59% in the UK. That other 40% all over the world, Thailand, everywhere. So geographically, you know, that could be why Liverpool videos are getting watched more. But in the same respect, my top video is an Everton video, and that's as 95,000 views so far. And if you look at my top 10 of all time videos, I've got 2 Everton videos in the top 10. So, you know, statistically that works out right. And there we are, back over Anfield. There's all the grow lamps, and now they're now called. I know they're now called. Okay. Yeah. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. That's all that I've earned this month. So you know, if you want to take YouTube serious as a revenue stream, you know, if you want to be a full-time YouTuber, it just shows how much work you got to put in. Like I've put a videos every single day this month, and okay, you see what 10-15 minutes of what I've done, but there's a lot more work to it. You know, you've got to get to places, you've got to charge batteries, you've got to edit the videos. The editing is the biggest part of the whole process. That takes the longest, because someone might approach you and start swearing, or you know, so everything's got to be cut out. You know, let's have a look on the roof there while I'm here. There's people working on the roof, and there was something getting lifted. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to talk and look at the screen at the same time. Yeah, so this is why we ask for subscribers, because once these builds are done, Bramley Moor and Anfield, it's going to fall off a cliff, the viewing figures. And if I can get me subscribers up, between now and when these builds are complete, then when I'm putting other stuff out rather than just the football stuff, because I am going to do different stuff, it's just that the football stuff is very time consuming at the moment. So that's why I'm doing more of that than anything else. But I've got other stuff in the pipeline. Like I just want to do ghost stories. I want to go out and film, you know, haunted places and stuff like that. Well, places that are being haunted. Give the background to what's going on and what exactly the haunting is. Okay. Right, I'm going to head back to myself now. Yeah, so if I can build that subscriber base up, then it's all well and good then. So that's why I ask for subscribers, and you know, I say I've got 24,000 returning viewers. Consider subscribing. 79, well, that sounds up. 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. Believe it or not. So if you are watching this and you do enjoy the videos, please consider subscribing. If you just don't want off viewer and you don't like it, then you know, it's fine. As I always say, I'm not for everyone. There's me down there chatting away. Yeah, so once again, thank you everyone for watching my videos. It's going to make a big difference to a football team or a couple of football teams, depending which way I go, whether I just sort one team out with kits and league fees, or try and sort a few teams out with league fees. Yeah, I'll leave it there, and I'll speak to you all on the next one. It'll probably be Bramley Moor on Sunday, because I'm going to get back to my usual format now of Sundays, maybe Mondays and Tuesdays, and then try and bang another one out during the week at some point. So I'll try and do 3, maybe 4 a week. But yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing. People have offered to donate money towards this cause. I don't want anyone to donate money to me, okay? This is all about showing what you can do with YouTube by no one paying a penny, me not paying a penny, you not paying a penny. It's all down to adverts. More people watch, the more money I make, the more difference I can do to people. Like, if I was on Mr. Beast type of views, I would be sorting families on for Christmas, you know. I'd change so many lives if I could, you know what I mean? It'd just be life changing for everyone. You know, no kids are going out for presents in Liverpool ever again at Christmas. No kids would be wanting to go to a food bank ever. You could just make so much, you know, so much of a difference, and that's by no one paying out any money. Only, you know, large corporations or businesses or whatever that, you know, are paying YouTube to advertise their stuff, and then I get a cut of that. Cost no one, absolutely no money. The only other thing I would consider is putting a subscription on my channel, and if people want to a membership on my channel, and people want to be a member of the channel, say I do a £2 membership or a £1 membership, 100% of that membership money could go towards good causes like grassroots football, food banks, Christmas appeals maybe. There's just all kinds that you could do. I'm not even looking to screen, I'm just chatting away, so I'll have a little scan around now. Yeah, I'd love to be able to make that change in people's lives, but how big will my channel get? I don't know. Anyway, it's enough rambling. That's my video for today, to let you know how much I've earned, and I'll speak to you all soon. Okay, look after yourselves.